Here we have EMF's ball joints for these trucks. EMF makes one of the nicest options on the market. EMF is actually a smaller company out of Canada. It's a family-run business, awesome people to work with. And one of the cool things with these is that with the exchange rate differences between US and Canadian dollars, you'll find that these EMF ball joints actually offer some of the best value for the money spent. In terms of bang for the buck, due to this exchange rate advantage of importing these into the US, you're actually getting an extremely heavy-duty ball joint for a great price for these trucks. Design-wise, these EMF ball joints feature a metal-on-metal design similar to what Carly offers. These are a little different, however, in the fact that these ball joints are adjustable. So these ball joints don't carry the lifetime warranty you'll find on some of the other options, but the trade-off to that is these are fully serviceable. So these ball joints actually have the ability to adjust slop out of them as they wear over time. And then when you run out of adjustment in the ball joint itself, you can actually rebuild the ball joint on the truck without having to press it back onto the truck. So you look at most parts store ball joints, ball joint wears out. Every single time you gotta basically use a ball joint press to pull the ball joints out of the truck, reinstall new ones. Cool thing with these is long-term maintenance-wise, you're not taking ball joints in and out of the truck over and over. You're simply rebuilding them on the truck. So very cool aspect of the design on these EMF ball joints. Let's go ahead and take a look at the lower. You'll see the grease fitting here. This is actually part of where you adjust the ball joint over time. Very heavy duty. Have a rubber seal for dust. Upper ball joint, grease fitting. You'll actually see the holes here for the upper ball joint adjustment. Really cool in these EMF joints. Rubber dust shield here. And again, very beefy construction. Very nice ball joints for these trucks, and that's why these EMF joints have become so popular recently. As a quick aside, these EMF ball joints are available in knurled and non-knurled designs. So essentially for trucks that have had part store ball joints installed previously, the oversized design that EMF offers allows you to just press the ball joint in and still get a tight engagement. If your truck still has the original ball joints in place, the regular style EMF joints are the way to go. That's a really cool thing that's pretty much unique to EMF for these trucks, is the ability to choose between regular and oversized for the ball joints. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are cross-shipping this with other options, we actually have another video we put together on our YouTube channel, so feel free to check that out. Kind of goes over the various options on the market. If there are any questions you feel we didn't answer with this video, feel free to give us a call, shoot us an email. We're happy to answer any and all questions you might have to help get you the best ball joint option for your truck.